Thank you.
Thanks so much. You have to let me know what you're doing, okay? You can't just slide in like that, okay? Whatever you're doing can wait. Excuse me. As soon as you're done, I need to sweep up and get ready to go. And we'll throw that away.
Beep-a-boo-ba-boo. I'm already done, Brenna.
Next time, let me know what you're doing, okay? You scared me and I could have hurt you.
Well, like most drivers, you don't look behind you.